History has taught us to protect peace, we must be prepared to wage war. And who better to talk about war and peace than Lieutenant General Manoj Kumar Katiyar, Army Commander, Western Command. Sir, many thanks for joining us on the Chakravyuh.
Thank you. In fact, Mahabharata, as we look at it, I mean, one of the biggest battles ever fought. This was a battle of war to save dharma. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhyuthanam adharmasya tadatmanam sajamya. So I think there cannot be a better example of dharma yuddha than
the land of Bhagwan Mahavir and Gautam Buddha. So when we talk about Yudh and Shanti, peace, is there a moral dilemma somewhere?
Yeah, I mean, it's a very, very, what should I say, pertinent question, because India is a land of peace, ahimsa, land of Mahatma Gandhi, Buddha. They taught us the virtues of peace, ahimsa. In fact, all the religions, our ancient religions, Buddha, Dharma, Jain, Hindu, they all laid huge emphasis on peace. But then all these religions also tell us to pick up arms in self-defense. 71 was a totally different case. Now, and I think it is the most apt example of a Dharma Yuddha. What was happening in 1971 in Bangladesh, I think we seem to have forgotten. Thousands and thousands of Bangladeshis were killed. It was a genocide.
By Pakistan.
By Pakistan Army, maybe similar to the Holocaust, maybe even worse than the Holocaust, because world was a silent spectator. Nobody was responding to it. Now, could we have also remained silent in the face of such barbaric happenings in our neighborhood? I mean, if you remain silent in face of crime, in face of evil, your conscience has to pay a price. I'll go back to Mahabharata Karna. He perhaps is the most righteous man, the biggest, the greatest warrior, the biggest Dani. He donated his Kavach Kundal, his life to Indra. But he has one regret in his life, one regret when he is dying. What? He was present in the court the day Draupadi was disrobed. वधुजन को रक्षण नहीं दिया क्यों, समर्थन पाप का उस दिन किया क्यों, न कोई योग्य निष्कृत पा रहा हूं, लिए ये दाह मन में जा रहा हूं. So could India have remained a mute spectator in all this happening? I think not. We couldn't have remained mute spectators to thousands and thousands of Bangladeshi sisters getting disrobed by Pakistani army soldiers. We had to intervene. And I think it was a perfect act what we did. And of course the Mukti Bahini was with us. What is the Bangladesh army today was with us. And we defeated the Pakistan army. We liberated East Pakistan, which is what the Bangladesh today is. So I think it's a very just war we fought, Dharma Yuddha we fought in Bangladesh.